Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to make Instagram Reels on iPhone for free. First of all, open your Instagram app and make sure to log in into your Insta account. Tap on this plus icon, select Reel, and now you can capture an instant video to make a reel by pressing and holding the record button. Also, you can upload a video or photo from your gallery by tapping on this upload option at the bottom left corner. Select the video which you want to add, tap on add and tap on next, and now you can easily edit your reel from these top menu options. You can add music, you can add sticker, you can add text from here, and then all you have to need, just tap on next and tap on share, and that's how you'll be able to make reels on iPhone for free. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.